family, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tay. I am here today to give all of you a mega haul. I have been shopping at a few stores, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and I also have been doing some thrift shopping. So we're gonna start off with Dollar Tree, my favorite place. Show you what I have found. And look at these beautiful pumpkins, everybody. This right here came from Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so beautiful. It has a little like glam, gold, shiny look to it, and it also have like these little orange, light orange or gold color paint spots, it looked like. I really like that. As you know, I love pumpkins. I have a slew of pumpkins already. I buy different pumpkins every year because each year pumpkin styles and decor change. So I purchased 2 of those, of these pumpkins right here. And this is my favorite find from Dollar Tree so far. And these are these corns. Like the rusted, not rusted, but the roasted corn with the different color niblets in it. And it also has some little husks at the end, which I thought was so cute. So I picked up 2 of these, everybody. 2 of these. Don't know if I'll be using them in some DIYs or for tablescapes. Undecided, but I thought they were so cute and realistic looking. Got a little bit more from Dollar Tree. All right, I love string lights. Dollar Tree has these string lights right here. It's a string of 10 lights, and these right here are the maple leaves. They had them in this burgundy brown color. They also had them in like a golden yellow color, and you see how they light up on the box. They give off like an orange hue. So I will be using these. Don't know yet where I'll be using them at, but I will be using them. They are so cute. So I got just 1 pack of the LED string lights. And also, I got this nice leaf garland. It's a garland, and it's a leaf garland. It has like yellow and orange leaves. Got this garland right here. Thought that was nice. And I also picked up some flowers. I always need flowers. Let's start with these sunflowers. I got these burgundy ones. They look so good. I only got 1 bundle of the burgundy ones. I have another bundle of sunflowers. These are like yellow with a bit of coral or orange color in it. I only have 1 bundle of these sunflowers. And I also grabbed another set of sunflowers. These are more like burgundy and orange. And I only have 1 bundle of those. I just like the combination of the colors. So that's pretty much why I got those 3 bundles. All right, that's it for Dollar Tree. Let's move on to Dollar General. I don't go to Dollar General that much for decor, but lately Dollar General has been having a lot of cute items for like your countertop, for your coffee bars, or for any little small decor purposes in your home. So I picked up the cutest pumpkin jar right here. It was $4. I had the price tag to the bottom, but I've taken it off. But it's a cute pumpkin jar. And you can use it for candy or whatever. Don't know exactly how I'm going to use this, but it was cute and it was $1, and it's quite big for $1 too. I really excuse me, y'all. I really love how it looks. It looks really good. But this came from Dollar General. And I also got this cute wooden pumpkin that says Hello Fall, and it has maple leaves and different leaves on it. And I also a sunflower, and it was only $1 from Dollar General. Pick that up, and it has a clip on it. I guess it's for like if you want to use it for like notes, little papers, pictures, but I'm going to be using mine for something totally different. That's it for Dollar General. Set that to the side. And also, let's move on to my thrift items. I also took a trip to 2 thrift stores. I went to a thrift consignment shop, and I also went to a flea market. So first, I'm going to show you the items that I got from the consignment shop. And it is so cute, everybody. I really like how pretty it is. They gave me bubble wrap for it. Let me reposition my camera so you can see it better. All right, I had to reposition my camera so you can see it better. But this came from the thrift store, consignment shop, whatever you call it. This is what it looks like. It's like on the label, it says it's a gold glass. To me, it's somewhat like an amber, like a light amber color. But this is the vase that I got right here from the thrift store. And I only paid $2.75 for it, but when I got to the register, it was discounted a little bit down, so I ended up paying $2.25 for it. And at this particular thrift shop, the more a item sits on the shelf, the more it goes down. So it starts off, this item started off at $5. It went from $5 all the way down to $2.75. If it would have sat on the shelf until November the 6th, it would have been $1.75. But for what I'm gonna use it for, in the condition that it's in, which is excellent condition, to me, $2.25 was a good price for this vase right here. It's very heavy and good quality. Let me rewrap it, you guys. I don't want nothing to happen to my little vase, because it's a good find. I may want to just wrap it this way. They didn't give me a long enough wrap, so I'm trying to wrap it the best way I can. Slide it back in the bag. Slide it back in there this way. All right. Okay, and I also found 2 more items from that particular consignment shop. And these are amber glasses. Thought they looked really good, and they were in excellent condition. I like that little swirly pattern that's on the outside of it. Try to get the label so you can see how much I actually paid for this one. All right, and I have my other one too. This one is a stemware 2-piece amber glass. I got both cups together as one set for $1.04, which I think was a very good price because it came from the same store, and the same rule applies where the longer it sits on the shelf, the cheaper it is. So the initial price of this item was $2.98 for the 2 glasses. And when I purchased it today, it was $104 for both glasses. Let's wrap them back up real quick. They didn't have a whole lot of bubble wrap, but they try to give me as much bubble wrap as they had. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the thrift market. Got this cute wooden bench, so cute. I thought it would be great for all these upcoming events that we're having and challenges and different things. Don't know exactly yet what I'm gonna do with it, but I paid $1 for this wooden chair right here. This particular item is from the flea market. We have like an indoor flea market where I live. Jayla. I also purchased this wooden box. This was $1 also. They had a box outside of the flea market that had all different wooden items for $1. I know it's a little beat up, scratched up, but I can handle all of that. It's gonna look fabulous once I get done with it. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but my mind is brewing. I got some plans in store for this cute box. All right, family, I am back. My kids came in and a lot of commotion started happening, so I had to do the rest voiceover. So right here, this is a thrift item. Also, it's a wooden house. There's so many things that I will be able to do with this. It looks really good. It was only $1 also from the flea market. And now we are getting ready to show you some more items where I am from the flea market. And this one right here, I was really excited about. It looks so good. It's a little dusty because I just got back, so I didn't get a chance to clean my items up. But this is a very versatile item. I can do a lot of different decors with that. I can actually style it in different areas of my house. I can use it for a whole lot of different things. So I am super excited about that piece. And it's also a chalkboard. And I also got these 4 orange wine glasses. It says it came from Big Lots, which it did. And Big Lots items can be a little pricey, but I was able to get those 4 glasses for $2.